Thanks for tuning in. We got new wiring, new harness. We're going to replace the old one on the trolling motor. And then once we do that, we're going to run it down the boat to the battery compartment. When I first got this boat, the wiring was so bad, you're going to see in the next clip here. But I went ahead and organized it a little bit. It's going to look prettier. Enjoy the footage as I fix the trolling motor. Here's the main aux. So this is going troller motor. This negative cable is also part of the troller motor. Here's our breaker, 60 amps. 60 amps rated for this 80-pound thrust Minn Kota Maxim that I have. From that, it's gonna run to the battery for the jump. And here's my jumper. I got, again, negative, 24 volts. And my battery chargers right here. And then I went ahead and installed a on and off switch so I can save the batteries. You know, when I'm parking it, I can just turn it off, and then if I need to, I'll just turn it on. Hey, welcome back. So I upgraded the camera. Got a GoPro now, so hopefully y'all can get a nice shot. It's a little dirty, I know. It's also raining outside, so hopefully this doesn't distort the audio. But I want to talk about some of the things I learned being a first-time boater, such as cold starting. Cold starting. Didn't know the engine gets so cold out there on lake water, so you got to run the idle up, stuff like that, you know. I learned towing this thing gets a lot easier. My first time backing up, man, it was tough. I was jackknifing everywhere. Updates on the boat. The troller motor works great. Bilge pump's working great, so we're not sinking. The live well in the front, the aerator doesn't work. We're gonna try and fix that too. But the live well in the back works great. Other than that, she's an awesome boat. On the next video, the next big video, it's gonna be, we're gonna sand and repair the fiberglass on the bottom, any of those scratches, and we're gonna paint it all black. It's gonna be really nice. It's gonna look like a brand new boat. Like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for chilling with me.